Jai Gurudev, my name is Saurav and talking about my experience, it was good and the session was very joyful and we enjoy a lot and it changed the way of thinking of me and also changed the prospectus of my life and when I come to the when I come to this course in first day, I having a one bag of empty experiences and now I'm going now it is the end of the session. Now I'm going with the full of knowledge with nothing.
When I came to this session, that time I had a lot of going on in my mind. I was not relaxed that time and I was so disturbed that time, and now after doing these 3 days, after passing these 3 days, I'm feeling more confident, more relaxed. I don't know what I'm going to do after this session and not my life will change, but I know one thing, that I'm having peace right now in my mind and I'm so calm that I can work around and see the things nicely and see the things in positive way.
Hello, I'm Omika, and truly speaking, my experience, I'm not feeling like I am Omika that I was before, but I am a new person at the end of the program. Coming to the end of the program, I'm a totally different person who was I in start. And other than that, I explored myself. I realized my own importance in the society, in the world, most importantly in the universe. How small we people are in front of universe, of course, and talking about the belongings with the respect of other people, that I got to know. And yes, I'm truly a different person. All in all, I want to say that. And doing this course, I realized that each and every person is just one. The world is one and we all are one. Thank you.